Brian DiMambro. We're looking now at a small, pocket-sized 18th century guidebook to traveling in North America. This volume is called The Polite Traveler. It's $17.99, printed for William Lane. The distinguishing feature is this small, charming little copper engraved map dated 1783, and it was engraved by Woodman and Mutlow. What distinguishes this map is the date and how early it is for naming all 13 states of the newly formed United States. We see here in medallion form in the cartouche a small portrait of George Washington as well as Benjamin Franklin. Louisiana is everything west of Indian nations here. Florida is divided into east and west, and yes, scarce, very scarce map, appearing only one time in the antique map price record. There is detailed information for the customs and manners of Indians in the country. There is detailed information for each of the states, and the book is complete. It's well preserved. It's in a very early 19th century binding with a paper label, and it's currently available on my website, briandimambro.com.